I just get luxury? We're back with another Ipsy unboxing. This is hefty. If you didn't know, I live in Australia and I get this sent over from America. Why? Why not? I love it. What I do is try and get into this friggin' box. That's what I try and do. I'm struggling. Let me get into the box. That was aggressive. Let me get into the box and I'll come back to you. They bubble wrap this consolidation. That's a bit serious. They took a lot of care. Oh, I got a box. I got a box and a bag. That's going to be good. I reckon that's going to be good. Ooh, that's a big one. I have no idea what month this is from. Ipsy is a makeup subscription that I get from America. They do not ship to Australia, so I get it shipped through a company called Shipito. They give me a physical address in America so I can purchase stuff in America and get it shipped to Australia. I get makeup subscription. I used to get 2 makeup subscriptions, but then Ipsy went and brought them out. So then now I only get 1. But I'm on the hunt for another one. So if you know of any makeup subscriptions in America that you'd want to look at, let me know. I'm going to purchase them. This is the base bag, okay? Every month I get a base bag. And it comes in a cute little bag. Look at this, it's so cute. This is very summery, isn't it? So anyway, you get this. This is actually like, I don't know what material this is, but you can easily clean this. But there's something outside the bag. A squished up makeup brush. Look, I'm sure I've had something similar to this. I'm going to give this to my daughter, so that's why I'm like handling it. But this is quite nice. I don't know what brand this is, but look at those pretty little diamantes on there. That's so pretty. Let's get into the actual little bag, okay? Ooh, ooh, we do have the little... This is from May 2026. What have we got? Ace Beauté. This little thing tells us what we get and some like prices and stuff. Oh, anyway, in case you didn't know, my name is Sarah and I'm a makeup addict. I'm a luxury addict. I'm just an addict. I shouldn't say that. Like, you know, we'll say shopping. Like, okay, that's the kind, you know, jeebus. I'll be cancelled before I get started. But I do this regularly, at least once a month. I should try and do it more because I have 1, 2, 3 over there and another one coming, which I've had some trouble with, actually. It's really annoying me. That should have, like, literally been here already, but it doesn't. Anyway, you don't care. Let's get into this. It's a highlighter, I believe. Ace Beauté highlighter. Drama Beam. Drama. I love a bit of drama. Not my drama. I don't like... Ooh. She is sparkling. Oh, she is pretty. Do I swatch her? Oh, should I swatch her? See, the thing is, I don't swatch if I give away. I know I feel bad when I don't swatch for you guys, but please understand, like, I really want to give away stuff and I don't want to waste. So this is Soothe Face Oil by a car. I can't pronounce those other words. It looks like it's in French. This is a deluxe sample. The full version is 30 mils for $128. A few drops sealing moisture, help calm skin or get an on-the-go glow. Ooh, okay. So there's that. It's a bit interesting. How many mils do I have there? 5 mils. And a full one is 30 mils for $128. Don't ask me to figure that out because I ain't mathematical. That's not going to happen. Oh, we might as well tell you. What's the price of this brush? $28 for this brush. This is in USD, by the way. Jesus Christ, Sarah. This is a deluxe sample. Full size of this version is $28. Do we need a full highlighter? I don't think I've ever hit pan on a highlighter. I'm sure people do, but not me. Anyway, Bella Paris Cosmetics Waterproof Black Mascara. Black Volumizing Mascara. I am not going to swatch this because I have 100,000 million trillion mascaras and so do my daughters. But that's the packaging. She's nice. She's going in a future giveaway. And that is $20. This looks like a Briogeo. Oh, this is a travel size. It's actually pretty good. Deep conditioning mask. Ooh, might give that to one of my daughters. As long as it's got no nuts in it, we're good to go. $15. Okay, that's not a bad little, like, base bag. Look at all that. That's actually pretty cool. Mascara, brush, hair mask, some sort of oil, and a highlighter. I like that. That's pretty good. I like this little bag too. This is a great little makeup bag. This will be going to a women's shelter for shiz. I'm going to fill this up. That should be coming up soon too, that women's shelter that I do. There's a charity called It's in the Bag. And what you do is you can fill up like handbags, backpacks, whatever you want to fill up, like a bag, and fill it up with like feminine products. And, you know, you can put some makeup in there, whatever, skincare, whatever you want that you'd like to get. And they give it to women in women's shelters. And I think it's just fantastic. These bags you drop off at Bunnings and they collect them and then they give them to women in shelters, and you can add in some really nice stuff. So imagine being a woman in a shelter and getting some makeup. Like, you know, we all deserve to feel good about themselves and people appreciate it. So that was in our little Ipsy base bag. Now let's get into this mother. I am so excited about this. We got my little hunting knife. She's pink. Isn't she cute? Look. And she's got a little like elk or deer or something on there. Oh, don't we love it? I love it. It's so pretty. Anyway, let's get into this big one. And she's very full. So it's the ultimate. Don't ask me how often the ultimate comes out. I do believe I get it like every couple of months or every few months. So this is just like a bit of a magazine. Tells you what's in it. Okay. First things first, I have blush, cream, powder. Oh, this is a brush. I think this is a brush. This looks like a brush. Ooh. Oh, she double-ended. Yes. You know what? This is a cream brush. It's from Ciel. One of my daughters, I know, one of my daughters, oh, yes. I just did my makeup too. Oh, that's soft. Ooh, look at that. I just brought an $80 bloody brush and it's gone missing. And I know one of my children's have stolen it. That's the problem with having daughters. They steal all your makeup. So I have that going on at the moment. Murad SPF 50 Brightening Moisturizer. I feel like I've had something similar to this. I believe my eldest daughter likes Murad products. Let me see if I can find prices. What am I even doing? The brush, $32 USD. And the Murad, $55. It's like over $100 Australian. What else do I have? No actual way did they put in a YSL Candy Glaze lipstick. Did I just get YSL in this Ipsy bag? How much is this worth? Oh, Watermelon High. $43 USD. Holy macaroon. Oh, what on? Oh, why isn't it? It's clicking. Oh, it just clicks up. I'm keeping this. Oh, it's so light and pretty. Oh, it feels nice. Oh, I love it. YSL. Watch one of my daughters vlog this. For sure. They're stealing that for sure. They always steal my stuff. I'm excited. I'm excited. What else do we have in here? What is this? Jisoo Honey Infused Hair Oil. Oh, nice, 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 nice. I'll open it from the bottom. Ooh, I think I've seen this in like Sephora. This looks nice. Honey infused. Ooh, Jisoo. How much is this? That's very interesting. I don't have a price for this. Okay, well, I don't know what happened and why I don't have a price for this, but it looks expensive. All right. Water box. That's why they call it the ultimate. What's this? Oh, I'm seeing all this really awesome stuff. This is bubble wrapped. Dermalactives. Dermalactives resurfacing honey and charcoal mask. Oh, that sounds lovely. Sounds lovely. That's beautiful. How much is that? Oh, $159 USD. Like our dollar is worth about 60 cents. So this will be almost $300. Wow. That is still getting given away because I don't want it to go to waste. Bisha, the Essential Setting Powder Tokyo Translucent. One of my daughters was asking for a setting powder. $40 Australian. We get a lot of Bisha stuff. But yeah, she was looking for a translucent setting powder. So I'll ask her if she wants this. If she doesn't, it's getting given away because I have 1,000. I don't need that. Ooh, Makeup by Mario. I'm a recent purchaser for Makeup by Mario, and I love it. Makeup by Mario is not on. Oh, it is. Oh, it's a lip. Ooh, $26. Ooh, it's pretty. It's a lip balm or a lip gloss, but that looks like it might be a little too dark for me. So, again, giving away. The stuff that I'm giving away, like you should see, I've got stuff in here to give away. This is my last product. It's a big one too. This is Rare Beauty. Find Comfort. Cream Corpse. That doesn't, I don't know how to pronounce that. Awaken Confidence. Find Comfort. Creme Corpse on something. I have no idea. I've never heard of it. But I do like her body. Is it a body cream? Oh, I can't bloody remember. A whipped bouncy cream that instantly melts into your skin for nourishing hydration and a non-greasy glow. Is this a body cream? Rare Beauty Body Awaken, $36. So it is a body cream, so I'll probably keep that. So this is $36 Australian USD. That's a pretty good freaking haul for the Ipsy Ultimate. Can't lie. Some months are a little bit of a disappointment, and then other months you're getting YSL. And some weird, like nearly $300 Australian friggin' face mask, which I'm not even going to keep. I'm going to give this away. 100% giving this away. Wow. Thank you very much, Ipsy. This is why I do it. This is why I love it. But anyway, I'm so curious. What do you guys think of this? I've been getting this for years, and I just can't help myself. I can't stop. Look at all the goodies I get. Some of this stuff, like I had my girlfriend come over about a week ago with her daughter, handed them a big basket of stuff and said, go for it. Just take anything that you want, and then everything else, like I put some stuff I put straight into giveaway. Some stuff I put to, see friends, and my daughters want it. And then that goes into giveaway, and, I love it. Like, I share the wealth, and it just makes me feel good. I get to try new stuff, and I get to give stuff away, and that's what I love. I love giving stuff. I just can't help myself. Anyway, which, by the way, when I get to 500 subscribers on here, I'm doing a big giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed to me already, please consider doing so. It is for free. It makes my day. I love it. And I've noticed I've been getting some more subscribers and some more comments and likes, and I'm just loving it. It really hypes me up, makes my day, and it's one of the things you can do that's just, it's free. It's for free. Anyway, thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments, what do you guys think of this? And is there anything you guys want to see? Because I'm down. I'm down to purchase because I have a shopping addiction. Anyway, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Ciao, ciao, bye.